Hello guys, this is a simple and quick tutorial. I am going to teach you how to use the headersSent property of the response object. So first of all, headersSent property from the response object is a boolean that represents the state of the headers, also the response. So when the response has been sent, headersSent becomes true. Since then, it's false. So to check that, I'm gonna log the property before sending an answer or a response. Then I'm gonna log the property again, and I have a if conditional that if the headersSent is true, I log response has been sent, and if it is false, I log error something occurred. So let's check here out. Now in the CSS, okay, listening, then reload, then check the console, and then compare. As you can see, first I log the property headersSent and I got false. Then I send the response hello world and log the property again, and once I do that, it becomes true because I have already sent the response or the HTTP header. And after that, the conditional logs that the response has been sent because the headersSent is true. That's all for today. I hope it's useful, and bye.